On August 23, 2025, a simple traffic stop for a minor equipment violation began like countless others. But before the night was over, a grandmother of 17 would make a claim that few people would believe. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Be Adam Lincoln Young, 13 Victor. Hey, stay over here. Howdy.
What did I do?
Hey, I'm off from Royal Mountain Home Police. I stopped you. You didn't have any license plate lights.
What?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You got your tags, or you got your driving license on you?
Oh, yeah. You want to have lights on your license plate?
On your tags, yes, ma'am.
You're kidding me. The Jeep doesn't have it. I don't have lights. Yeah.
Well, it's illegal.
I want to
Here,
see.
come on over here.
Do I have the option? Turn my lights
What's that?
on. Just said, do I have the option?
They all have them. You got your ID on you?
Oh, no. No, I got a vape in my phone.
Vape and phone?
Yeah. I don't have them. I didn't bring my purse or nothing.
All right.
I want to
You
see,
have
though. Can I turn my lights on and look out there?
Yeah. Can I get your insurance real quick?
Do you want me to go? This is my house. I live here. Do you want me to go in and get my ID?
No, you can stay right here.
Okay. But my Jeep doesn't have an option for lights.
They do. They all have license plate lights. They have to make the vehicle with the license plate light.
I mean, if you look, it don't though. I mean, I don't know where I would.
I'm not worried about your vehicle right now. I'm worried about.
Well, I'm worried
this
about
vehicle.
getting pulled over. I mean.
Okay, well then don't drive it if you're worried about it. I'm not discussing another vehicle I'm not out with right now.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
That's fine, but I mean, I'm just saying I have concerns. Just for my passenger, yeah.
Okay. Here, can you guys stand right here in front of my vehicle for me?
That's not right. Huh? I'm gonna have to figure that out because mine doesn't have anything like that.
You want to turn your lights off?
Yeah.
You can mess with it when I get done here.
Okay.
Hey Don, it looks like you've been charged with quite a few drug charges.
Yeah, that.
It looks like one pretty recent. I mean, is there any story about it?
Yeah.
I mean, is it one of those wrong place, wrong time type deals, or
No, it wasn't. My brother-in-law came up from Oklahoma, and he has 3 dispensaries, and he has a license to grow weed and stuff, but he had too much to cross state lines with or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And so he came up here wanting me to get rid of some of it so he wouldn't, and that's pretty much the story.
So it was all his?
Yeah, but he wasn't with me. It was me. I was standing outside of Casey's waiting on a pizza. And the gas filled cop came up to me and said that I was parked in a handicap without a tag. And I said, yeah, but I have a hang tag. And he said, oh, well, you have a sticker then. And he said, well, but I see that you're parked crooked in the parking place. And I said, no, I'm inside the lines. I was just a little bit catty-cornered. And he wrote up and said that I was parked across 3 parking places and that I was doing drugs in the parking lot and all kinds of stuff. But yeah.
Hey, you want to grab your cat? I'm going to run my dog around the vehicle to see if he alerts anything.
I have 20 cats. Can you give me a...
Well, just the ones right here is the only ones I'm concerned about.
But I'm concerned about all of them.
Why are you running the dog around it? Because I have past drug charges?
It's a free air sniff of the vehicle. And I think if you've been charged 2 months ago with drugs, it'd probably be a good idea for me to run my canine around the vehicle. Hey, don't walk off. Stay over here. Here, stay right here.
I have heard so many stories about you doing this with people that's here lately.
Me?
That you make the dog.
Do you even know who I am?
Rocky Morel.
I am.
Yeah,
I make the dog what?
To pretend like he hits on it, like you tap on the car or something, instead of waiting for him to sit.
Is that what I do?
That's what I heard, anyway.
Do they usually say that I find meth inside the vehicle too?
No.
That's weird that he didn't say that part.
You don't have probable cause and it's illegal.
Hey, make it boy.
What kind of dog is that?
It's a pointer.
Yeah.
Just let him eat it.
I'm not gonna let my dog eat the cat. Come here, I just want to hold you.
You like that.
Buddy, buddy.
Zook. Nope.
See, that's not right. You shouldn't be doing
Mick.
that shit right there.
Mick.
There ain't nothing in my car.
Here.
He would be hitting on it, Rocky, if there was.
Here you go. Zook. Good. Zook. Good.
The last one I saw him today was one.
Me?
Yeah, y'all need to come stand back here on the push bar.
Oh.
Yes. Oh, yes.
No.
Oh, good boy.
You can't
Oh,
do
yes.
that.
Oh, yeah. Good boy. Yeah. She saw
He
that.
tapped on my fucking car and tried to get him. He's been around it 3 times. There's been nothing.
Good boy, Mick.
I think it smells the cat. Is what it is.
Yeah, that's what it is.
There's one right something.
Oh,
with
yep,
a
I see
shadow.
it coming
Is
right-
it? Yeah.
Right
Tell
there.
him. Tell him.
He's underneath your car.
Will you
Well, the
tell
cat
him?
doesn't have anything to do with your door handle.
It wasn't my door handle.
What did he sniff?
He didn't sniff nothing. He tapped on my car and the dog sat down.
So, he alerted on the vehicle.
No, he didn't. You tapped on my car. He went around my car 3 times, Rocky. He's after the cats, not my car.
No, he's not after cats. He actually sniffed your doorknob and alerted on the vehicle.
No.
So, is there anything to be concerned about in the vehicle?
Concerned?
Yes.
No. I have auction stuff. I just got back from the auction.
Well, stay right here.
No, I'm not. You're not searching
you-
my vehicle. Listen, you're not searching my vehicle because this is not right. This is an illegal search. This is an illegal
Yeah, I
search.
said he's done now.
It's illegal.
with the dog.
Illegal, Rocky.
Hey, Carlton, keep her back there.
I will
Let's come back
search you.
here.
I will sue
Okay.
you. I will sue you.
You can record if you want, but stand right back there
I
for me.
recorded you. I'm fucking me over right there. He went around my car 3 times
If you don't-
before you
can you
tapped
get her
on
back
it.
over there?
Let's back
That's
up.
a lie. You're a fucking pig. You're a bad, dirty cop. That's what you are. Can you please?
Well, I could see what he would be alerting on. Hey, Smith, go 15 with her.
All right.
Turn around.
I don't know. I'm getting arrested
Here.
right now.
Turn around.
Who's
Turn
that?
around. Put your hand behind your back.
Can I put him in the front? I just had a mastectomy.
That's fine. It's, you
Whoa.
can go ahead and put her back in the car.
Can I have my drink?
I say that's up to him. I'll ask him.
No, she don't get anything. She was uncooperative, so.
I'm not uncooperative. Did I see me fighting?
No.
I just
We're
did
gonna
one
go
an
right back
illegal
here.
search is wrong. I didn't even do anything wrong. What an uncomfortable seat.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Goodness. Is that on meth?
Yes.
Holy cannoli.
Dispatch 21, what's your address that you're at?
See if there's a lien on the vehicle.
Rock? Think you have your third lawsuit on your hands?
Ain't no lawsuit on this one.
Is that at least threatening?
She's threatening because she got caught. You can go ahead and transport her down there, and I'll have to go weigh some stuff out.
Hey,
And
Rocky,
yes, ma'am.
will you please put on there that it's not a rotation tow?
We're gonna seize the vehicle. So
Well, you'll have a $500 a month payment for the next 3 years if you do.
yeah, well, I saw there's still a lien on it.
Yeah.
So-
and Captain Carmart owns it.
I know we have to satisfy them in order for us to take it.
Can I take my phone with me to jail?
I got it in my driver. I got it in your purse.
Yeah. Can I have it to where I can call somebody?
When we get down there, yeah.
Why can't I have it in here?
Well, because I don't know if we're gonna seize it as well.
My phone?
So when you have a traffic amount of methamphetamine, we take everything, and then if we can get a search warrant for
It's
the
not
phone,
to traffic. It's not to traffic. It's for me. I have cancer. And
that's a
is-
lot, though.
Because if I don't get it in that big of amount, I can't afford it because it's so too much if you buy little amounts. And I just went and got
Yeah.
that just tonight. I had breast cancer and now I have leukemia and it's spread around to my back strap. And the last time I peeled the breast cancer with it, and so I'm trying again.
You're gonna try to smoke enough meth to kill the breast cancer?
I already killed the breast cancer with it. I had it, but I'm not. I had to have it cut off, and then the doctor didn't get all the cancer, so I had to go to Springdale. And then I heard that if I took fenbendazole, which is a human like ivermectin wormer, and had meth, that it would kill it, and it did. So
if it did, then I don't blame you for trying, I guess. I don't know if that's a scientific thing of them, if it kills cancer, but I see where you're coming from. Where'd you pick all that up at?
I'm not going to tell you that. There's no reason to get them in trouble.
Fair enough. Anything else you want to talk about?
I'm a grandma of 17 babies, 17 grandkids, and I just hate this. It's happening again.
What's up with the scale that's in your purse?
Well, I take that with me so that I know that I'm getting what I'm paid for.
Okay. Is that all the money that's in your purse?
That's all I got.
Okay, we're gonna seize that too. But anything else?
I'd like just to be shot and put out of my misery, to tell you the truth.
I'll wait for a tow and
All right.
get her transported.
All right. One female, 19 to the jail. Out at the jail. Sallyport, 1, please.
How are you, ma'am? We're gonna go into the right, okay?
Don Spaulding was arrested and charged with possession of meth or cocaine with purpose to deliver, felony possession of a controlled substance, possession of drug paraphernalia, and defective vehicle lights. Her bond was set at $25,000. Officer Morell weighed and tested the substance, confirming a total of 177 grams of methamphetamine. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.